Kuha ko na.
Coach, second straight loss. At medyo same yung tail from the first loss. Dikit na dikit.
Gusto yata ng mga players namin habol lagi eh. So, ever since naman sa practice, sabi namin na pag start ng game, we need to go hard na. Medyo sometimes ganun talaga, medyo malakas yung team. So, we find ways to to compete. So, pinakita naman na kaya naman eh. So, matter of ano lang, yung mindset na kaya. So, back to the drawing board again, back to zero against San Miguel. Hopefully, hindi na kami matabakan bago makakapon.
Coach, kasi kanina napansin namin na most of the scoring load was on Justin's rings. Medyo nung latter part na naghabol yung mga locals like Mami, kailangan bang mas i-push yung locals na from the start pa lang una sila?
Well, ganun naman eh. Yung team naman namin, lahat naman pwedeng tumira eh. Basta doon lang sa concept ng team. So, not necessarily titira. Kung ano yung concept ng team, kunwari, kung sa corner, you need to go to the paint, then yung concept ng team namin ganun. So, just happen na nung una medyo tentative kasi nakaskaw yung import eh. So, we need to feed him. Pero nung lately medyo humina ng konti, so that's why pumasok yung locals.
Coach, can you talk about the last two possessions for Terra Firma? Yung isang na-block yung kay Aljan and then yung last shot sana ni Amag. Was it designed? Was it or was it flow of the moment po?
Flow of the moment yun, tsaka what do you expect? Aljan is like 6'3", 6'2". Then si Justin is like 6'7", 6'8". So nandun eh, libre-libre, nahabol lang. Then siguro, same like last game. Kailangan namin mag-compete from first quarter to fourth quarter kasi second quarter natatama kami, third quarter. So kami mag-goal. So parang ang hirap. It's better siguro, sabi namin sa players, all we know is kaya naman natin to play our A game every game. Pero no need to wait for third quarter para umabol kasi mahirap eh. Mahirap talaga mag-abot.
Pero kung sila na malaking bagay sa character ng team, dalawang mag-games na
Well, sobrang maganda yan kasi yun nga, yung culture na kaya pala may pag-compete and may chance manalo. So, lesson learned na hindi dapat ang laro pang third quarter, fourth na habol, kailangan first pa lang masyado na para at least once na we keep it close, may chance talaga manalo lalo. Kasi tsaka yun, yung seconds to go na yun, breaks the game na kasi lahat naman may chance manalo. May chance sila matalo. So, hopefully ma-address namin yun from the first pa lang, first quarter, pagkat na kami. Especially sa depensa, tsaka within the concept of the team.
Coach, si Gio parang naiiniwan na.
Well, siguro parang nag-cramps yata yung quads niya. So, we need somebody to step up. So, yung team naman na to, next man up. So, thankful lang kami kay Justin, kay Aljon, tsaka kay CJ na nag-step up sila.
Thanks, Coach.
Thank you.
Thank you.